subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Huawei has launched its new affordable smartphone under Nova series in South Africa called Huawei Nova Y60. Talking about the specifications, the Huawei Nova Y60 features a 6.6-inch HD Plus display with U-shaped notch at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel AI-powered selfie camera with f2.0 aperture. The rear panel of the phone supports a triple camera setup on the rear and a squarish model at the top left corner, including LED flash. The triple rear camera includes a 13-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 5-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view and a 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Nova Y60 comes powered by MediaTek Helio P35 chipset, paired with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage that is further expandable up to 512GB via microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 out of the box with EMUI 11.0.1 skin on top, and it comes backed by a large 5000 mAh battery. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it includes HIS-10 6.1 audio technology plus panoramic 3D sound enhancement for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.26 by 76.02 by 9.2 millimeters, and it weighs around 185 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Huawei Nova Y60 has been priced in South Africa at 3,099 South African rands, and it is now up for pre-orders in the country in crushed green and black color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from September 1st. So what do you guys think of this Huawei Nova Y60 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.